Opening a saving account on Natwest is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can open a Natwest saving account. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at my browser and I need to search for Natwest saving account. So if I search for that, I'll be able to see all of these information. So I'm just going to go to this first website, which is compare instant fix and ISA saving account, and it will take me to Natwest's home website. As you guys can see, I'm at their home website. Now here you just have to scroll down, and you need to scroll down until you will be able to see a lot of saving account or account options. You just need to search for your option that you want to create. After that, you just have to click on that view account and apply. So what it will do is it will take you to this page, which is opening a children's saving account. You just have to click on apply now, and it will take you to these legal page. You make sure you need to read all these legal pages before you start the process, and after that you have to click on this continue. And now as you guys can see, the information or the process is begun. So if I click on this, yes, and it will take me to ask me some questions. After these questions, it will start asking me my name, my ID card, and all of the information that are necessary to create a bank account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can create a saving account on Natwest. Hope you guys find this video helpful.